The dramatic arcs, produced by a Powertown electrical safety model, present electrical safety lessons that are not easily forgotten. Marketed by Moore Syndication, hundreds of Powertown models have been sold to electric utilities in the United States and Canada. Powertown models are lightweight, easy to set up, and simple to operate. The durable tabletops come with folding legs. Other components are stored and transported in convenient plastic totes. Tables are draped with a customized table skirt bearing a customer's logo and optional safety message. The power supply is located in the model's house. It produces a 10,000-volt current at 27 milliamps. Despite the high secondary voltage, Powertown models operate on standard household or business plug. Power is delivered to the poles by a connection on the back of the house. For safety, the model is energized by a double switch system. A switch on the back of the house must be in the on position. Then, a foot pedal must be depressed before current will flow. Lights on both the front and back of the house illuminate when current is hot. This serves as a reminder to the operator whether standing in front of or behind the model. Wiring is protected by a fuse, which can be removed to render the model inoperable when the demonstrator is away. Powertown comes with an insulated spring-loaded hot stick. This device can be used to manipulate tabletop components during the demonstration. It is recommended that demonstrators also wear insulating line worker gloves as well. Gloves are not included with the model. Purchasers of Powertown models can choose from various setups and options. The model is sold as a single table 4-foot safety board or as a double table 8-foot long display. The basic 4-foot model includes a house, fence, pole set, vehicles, pad mount transformer, tree, and 4 human figures. This first table can also be ordered with the addition of an excavation site with a live underground cable, die-cast backhoe, and a shovel figure. This addition is called the Call Before You Dig option and is used to demonstrate contact with underground electrical cables. The 2 tables of the 8-foot model include the 4-foot model plus a choice of 2 different second tables. The agriculture option table consists of a continuing power line assembly, substation, tractor, and grain auger. This table allows owners to demonstrate arcing inside the substation. Also, 2 grounding plates allow for arcing from both the tractor and auger to the plastic figure once the vehicles become energized by contact with an overhead power line. The second 8-foot model option is the lake scene table. This table includes the substation and overhead power line, along with a blue-painted grounding plate representing a lake and sailboat. An arc can be drawn from the sailboat mast as it approaches the energized overhead line. On the 8-foot model, the 2 tables are aligned by dowels and holes on the table's edge and are held in place by Velcro fasteners. Grounding plates are connected by cables that plug together underneath. Modifications to Powertown models during manufacturing are sometimes possible. Cost of any changes to the basic designs can be quoted on an individual basis. Here are views of the various contact hazards that can be demonstrated with Powertown in its various configurations. Raising an antenna into an overhead line. Arcing from a metal fence after it becomes energized with a downed line. Arcing from a school bus after it becomes energized by a down line. Contact with an overhead line from a fire truck ladder. Contact of a tree limb with an overhead line. Contact of a kite with an overhead line. Contact of a long metal object with an overhead line. contact to an open pad mount transformer. A backhoe contacting a buried underground cable. A person holding a shovel contacting a buried underground cable. A person contacting electrical equipment inside a substation fence. A person contacting an energized tractor. A person contacting an energized grain auger. A sailboat mast contacting an overhead line. The dangers of working around a service drop with a metal ladder. For this demonstration, a sound module can be activated to produce a popping sound as the ladder figure is positioned under the service drop. For many of our customers, Powertown models are the central components of their safety educational outreach programs. As one satisfied safety trainer put it, once you demonstrate electrical contact hazards with a Powertown, you have taught the lessons for life. More Syndication invites inquiries about Powertown and our entire array of utility educational products. Contact us on the internet at www.moresyndication.com or call during business hours at 205-871-8819.